familiar theme, a new generation of the popular sports car model is being launched. More powerful and visually distinctive, and with better driving dynamics than ever, the six-cylinder boxer engine at the heart of the 911 GTS delivers 473 horsepower, which is 30 horsepower more than the current 911 Carrera S and 23 horsepower over the previous 911 GTS. The result of this extra potency is a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint of just 3.1 seconds in the case of the 911 Carrera 4 GTS Coupe equipped with the 8-speed Porsche dual-clutch transmission, 0.3 faster than its predecessor. A 7-speed manual transmission with a gear lever shortened by 10 mm is available for all 911 GTS models as an alternative to the PDK. The engineers in Weissach have also adjusted stopping performance to match the increased performance of the GTS, which makes use of the high-performance braking system from the 911 Turbo. All 911 GTS models effectively have the Sport design package, with distinctive trim for the front, rear and the side sills. The headlight trims and daytime running light surrounds are darkened, and the car is fitted with standard LED headlights with Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus. The rear lights are also darkened. Satin black accents characterize the model designation, Porsche lettering and charge air grille slats above the engine. Driving dynamics are further improved with the lightweight package, which will be available for the first time on a GTS. Up to 55 pounds can be saved by the lighter carbon fiber full bucket seats, lightweight glass for the side and rear windows, and the use of a lightweight battery. The rear seats are also removed. Other performance enhancements include rear axle steering as part of this equipment package and additional aerodynamic underbody paneling.